Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Income inequality can be tricky to solve quickly, but we will find the policy that widens the gap between the rich and the poor now. Income inequality increases when policies place a heavier financial burden on lower earners. We need to identify which specific tax structure or economic policy actually makes the wealth gap much wider. A regressive income tax structure takes a larger percentage of income from low earners than from high earners. This directly reduces the disposable income of the poor, increasing overall societal inequality. In contrast, options like education and progressive taxes help the poor. Therefore, the regressive tax in option E is our clear winner. You got this! Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid the rush by checking your steps carefully every time.